flattering t-shirt and make it hobby fun. Follow along. Step 1. Lay your t-shirt out on a flat surface and cut out the collar. Make sure to save that collar because I'll show you how to use it later on in the video. For now, I'm just going to wrap it around my wrist, which you can use as a bracelet. It would match your t-shirt. Next, you're going to draw an invisible line from the armpit up to the corner of the sleeve at the top. That's where you're going to make your cut. If it helps you, you can fold it to kind of make a crease and cut along the fold. Remember, do not cut the seam itself, but cut next to it. That way the shirt doesn't fall apart. So I'm cutting right along the invisible line up to the corner of the t-shirt sleeve. To make sure you have a little bit of symmetry, you can then use this loose piece as your template for the other side of the sleeve. Or you can eyeball it if it kind of helps you. Here I am lining up my template, and I'm going to just eyeball it based on the template. And again, make sure to keep these little sleeve edges. I'll show you what to do with them in a minute. For now, I'm just going to wrap it around my wrist so I don't lose it. Or again, you can use it as an accessory matching piece to your upcycled t-shirt. I'm just going to cut off the excess so I have basically just the band. Make sure not to cut the actual threading because you want to keep your band intact. You don't want it falling apart with threads everywhere. Here's a quick hobby hot tip. You can use that band as a ponytail scrunchie. It will match your t-shirt and it's really cute. It's okay if you lose it, not a big deal, but I love it as an accessory. I highly recommend this for all you moms out there. This makes your t-shirts look so much more flattering as if you just tie the end in a knot. It brings out your figure, it hides any flaws, and so you can go from this to this. Optionally, you can wear it off the shoulder. You can add a nice chunky necklace. Don't forget those heels. A cute pair of dark blue jeans. You've got your knot. You've got your little wristbands to match so you can have a bracelet. Or you can take one of them like I showed you earlier and put your hair in a nice cute side ponytail. There you have it. You're ready to go to a nice dinner with your hobby honey. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome hobby hacks. See you on the next show. Don't forget, please click on one of these videos for more hobby hacks, more ideas, and leave me your comments to let me know what other ideas or cool stuff you guys want me to do. I could do cooking, crafts. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at HobbyMomTV. Thanks again.